Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to another interesting video of my channel. So as you know from the title of this video, that today I'm going to talk about how I organize my daily task, my life. Now it's been 4 to 5 years that I'm following the same routine, and I'm organizing my daily tasks, my weekly tasks, and then eventually my monthly tasks. And trust me, it's really productive. By doing this, not just you can increase the productivity of your work, but by organizing your stuff, I think you can reduce the stress level and can be on time, and you can schedule your work and meet the deadlines. So let's jump into a very exciting video. So here I'm gonna share the best apps to organize things in my opinion, and to be very honest, I cannot even imagine to function without these apps. The first app I highly recommend is by the name Notes, and I think every phone has this app, and I use it for pretty much anything and everything to organize my file, my university work. It has very interesting features. You can not just organize your tasks in a tabular form, but you can also add the bullets. And by changing the colors of the bullets, you can prioritize your tasks. Other than this, you can also insert a picture or a photo from your gallery. Second app that I'm using is actually the reminder, because first I make the work plan on the app Notes, and then I set the reminder, because the reminder makes my life very easier. You can also add time for each task, and you can distinguish the task by changing the colors, and to have more fun. The last most favorite app that I'm using is Owaves, and it's a design calendar, and you can customize by dragging the side icons. It's a free app, and you can download it from your app store. You can set the time for each activity, and this app sends you the reminder also. So this is all for today's vlog. I hope you like it, and I hope that it will be helpful for you at some point. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next vlog. Take care. Allah Hafiz.